Good afternoon, sir. I am Om Prakash Oja from MTech first year Power Electronics. I am going to demonstrate you on the topic. My project topic is PIR based sensors. Means whenever a body comes in front of the PIR sensor, then whatever the infrared radiation that will be transmitted by the body will be get received by the PIR sensor, and inside it there is a pyroelectric sensor which will sense it and convert into electrical signal. So basic principle working is this. So I am going to demonstrate you my project. So here I will demonstrate you Bluetooth module that I have connected. So it has 6 pins. So from 6 pins I have used only 4 pins, one VCC, then ground, then transmitter, and then receiver. These all pins I will interface through this Texas Instrument data sheet. I have opened this data sheet. I have just referred for this interfacing. So here VCC I have connected with the TMS VCC, and the ground I have for circuit completion I have connected with TMS ground, and after that transmitter GPIO 18 here I can show you from data sheet J1 fourth pin, and after that receiver GPIO 19 I have used J1 third pin. Here all pins I have connected here. After that the interfacing of the PIR sensor I have done, that I will demonstrate you. Actually this PIR sensor have 3 pins: VCC, ground, and output. Whenever it detects the infrared radiation, it will give output to the TMS. So here VCC I have connected it to the VCC of TMS, and ground I have connected it to the TMS of ground, and the GPIO 67 pin means output of this PIR sensor. I have used GPIO 67 pins. Here it is connected with this TMS J1 fifth pin. So after that I have interfaced LED and buzzer I have interfaced with the GPIO 111 GPIO 111 pin, and this is the J6 pin of the TMS board, and J1 6th pin. And after that I have interfaced the LED through the GPIO 32 pin. It is J1 second pin. All the pins I have gone through the data sheet, and I have taken reference from this data sheet: GPIO 32 J1 second pin, GPIO 19 J1 third pin, like that. All the interfacing I have done from this TMS data sheet. So basically in my project, whenever a energy emitting body will come now, then PIR sensor will detect, and the buzzer will sound for 2 seconds, and the LED will also glow for 2 seconds. And here is my mobile. I have connected through Bluetooth module. Here I have demonstrated the Bluetooth module. Here I have connected. Right now it is showing motion indent, no motion is going on. And now when I will put my hand in front of the PIR sensor, then you can majorly see 3 things will occur. Buzzer will sound for 2 seconds, LED for 2 seconds, and here motion detected will show on my mobile. So right now I am going to put my hand on PIR sensor. So you can see here LED is glowing and buzzer is sounding, and here motion detected is coming out. So that was whole my demonstration. Here the application of this I am going to use in the opening and closing of the door, security alarm system. So many more wide application here it is going to be used, because this live example I have also seen in a place where. Now after this demonstration I am coming to the program. Whatever the demonstration I have done in this programming I have written here. These are the headers and the library files that I have used here. So after that the initialization I have done. UART initialization means universal asynchronous receiver and transmitter initialization I have done. After that serial communication SCI means serial communication interface initialization I have done. And after that the whatever the PIR sensor I have used, here you can see GPIO 67, that is the J1 fifth pin that I have used. And after that the LED blink initialization, for that I have used GPIO 32 pin. So GPIO 32 pin I have demonstrated in the data sheet, and like that only buzzer GPIO 111 pin I have used, and for transmitter and receiver I have used GPIO 18 and 19 pin. In this all I have demonstrated. Okay.